Hello everyone, 大家好 Welcome back to my channel. This is Ting. Few days ago, I received a request. 老师, can you make a video vocabulary used in bank? And here you are. Today I'm going to show the words related to bank. So the first one, open a bank account. We say 开户. 开户. So for example, when you go to the bank and you say, I need to open a bank account for myself, we may say, 你好，我要开户。我要开户。Then staff may say, 请出示您的护照。请出示您的护照。Please, 出示 is a formal way to say, please let me see, please show me. 请出示您的护照 so your passport. One more sentence they might say, 请填一下单子。请填一下单子。So 填 to fill in. 单子 is just a form, table. So please fill in this table. Please fill in this form. 填一下单子。Okay, this is the first one. Next, this machine. How we say in Chinese? We say 自动柜员机 or 柜员机 for short. 柜员机. Sometimes you might even heard ATM 机. Yeah, we do say that. ATM 机. Okay, so wherever you hear ATM 机, 柜员机 or 自动柜员机, it means this machine. Okay, then I may say, oh, today I'm going to, I need to go to the ATM machine. So we may say, 我要去一趟柜员机。我要先去一趟柜员机。Two important things we will do through the ATM machine. First is deposit. Second is withdraw. So deposit, in Chinese we say 存款。存款。Or more casual way, we may say 存钱。存钱。Second, to withdraw, we say 取款。取款。Or 取钱。More casual way, 取钱。After withdraw, you keep your money in your hand. This money in your hand, cash, how we say in Chinese? We say 现金。现金。现金。So I guess when you go to the shop, people might ask, 现金还是刷卡？现金还是刷卡？ It means cash or card. Cash or card. 现金还是刷卡？ You may answer, 刷卡。刷卡 it means I will pay by card. And in Chinese we say 刷卡。刷 is a verb, swipe, and 卡 is a card. So we may answer 刷卡。Or you may pay 现金。Okay, is that clear? We may say, so people ask, 现金还是刷卡？ We may answer 现金 or 刷卡。Another important thing, currency which is used in your country. In China, the currency is 人民币。人民币. Usually it write RMB for short. So we say 人民币. Credit card, we say 信用卡。信用卡。For example, I want to apply for a credit card and I say 我想办一张信用卡。我想办一张信用卡。We use 办 the verb for apply for a credit card. 我想办一张信用卡。Another kind of card, debit card, we say 借记卡。借记卡。 The difference is if you use a credit card, so you have to return the money after 30 days. I don't know, each bank works differently. So 30 days, 40 days, you have to return the money. Okay, 借记卡 debit card, which you spend your own money, the money you already earn, and it is existed in your bank. 借 so for 借记卡. Next, if you need to go to foreign country, you need to buy a dollar or euro. In China, you have to go to bank. You find this sign, 货币兑换. 货币兑换 is like this. You go and you may say, for example, if you want to buy $500 and you say, 我要兑换500美元. 我要兑换500美元. Then the lady gonna tell you how much RMB you're gonna pay. Then that's it. How to say loan in Chinese? We say 贷款. 贷款. For example, I'm going to buy a new apartment. Then I need a loan. So I may say 我要贷款. 我要贷款. Okay, next one. How to say interest rate? In Chinese, we say 利率 or 利息. 利率, 利息. Check account. In Chinese, we say 支票账户. 支票账户. How we say? In Chinese, we say 密码. 密码. Okay, I guess this is everything we usually need when you go to a bank. If there is something I lost, I didn't mention, you may leave me a comment below and I will straight answer you. If today's video is helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe me. If you want to learn something new, again, you are very welcome to leave me a comment and I will make this video for you. Thanks for your watching. I'll see you next week.